What's going on, guys? It's your boy Christian here, back at you for Sneaker Tug with a brand new, well, I think we're officially saying goodbye to sneakers. Today, we are finally doing my very first iced coffee review. Now, I know a lot of you guys have been asking and requesting for this video, and we are finally going to... What? I'm not expecting anyone at the door. What do we have here? We got some mail. Oh, baby. Misty, look. Look, I got mail. Do you want to open it with me? Why are you giving me that look? That's a really funny look you're giving me. Did you fart again? Mom, do you want to see what shoes I got?
If it's for me.
What if it's not for you? Okay, so the box right here says it's from Puma. Now, Puma never said anything to me. This just randomly came in the mail today. And if it is what I think it is, I am going to be the happiest half Filipino 22-year-old in Toronto. Oddly specific. I just wanted to give a shout out to my Filipinos out there. Mahal kita. So I need something to slice and dice this box open with. Ow. One really weird thing the other day, I was getting like Instagram DMs of people telling me they had the exact same scissors as me. So shout out to my scissor gang. My scissor gang. Anyways, the other day I got my video or my live stream demonetized because it said KFC gang way too much. How messed up is that? Slice and dice this. Ooh, actually, this could be one of two things. It's either going to be what I think is, you know what? No, I'll shut up now. Let's open this box. Let's have a sip out of this non-sponsored coffee. Ah, please sponsor me, McDonald's. This box is heavy. Got a little note. It says my name on it. I feel like I don't want to read the note and then I want to just open the shoes first and then read the note. So let's do that. Let's do that. We're gonna put the note away because the note's obviously gonna tell me what's inside of the box. And what if I do it blindfolded or with a beanie or something on my face? Then I won't even be able to know what sneaker it is. Like, I have no idea what's inside of this box. I haven't seen the label. I haven't seen the envelope. Puma gave me no warning. So let's see if I can guess what the sneaker is without having any idea what could be inside. Well, you know, besides major releases coming up. But other than that, throw this hype beast beanie on and let's get started with the blindfolded sensual sneaker guessing game. Here is the moment of truth. Here we go. Let's open this box up. Ooh, oh my gosh. These are heavy. These are some heavy shoes, all right. Oh, that smells good. Oh yeah, all right, so let's put the box to the side. We got some tissue paper. And let's see what this sneaker might be. Okay, so my second guess for, wow, the materials on this feels really nice. Ooh, hello, hello, hello. I want to say with 100% certainty that this is the brand new dad shoe of the year, the Puma Thunder. Let's oh yeah, let's go, boys. Ooh, yes, thank you, Puma. They hooked it up today with the Puma Thunder, and these to me are my favorite dad shoe of 2018. These might be the best dad shoe of 2018. And personally, I am not a huge fan of dad shoes. I can't get with the aesthetic, I can't get with the vibe, but it's just something about this model that Puma has done. The diverse amount of materials, the color blocking, the color palette, the fact that it's actually at a very affordable price point as well. I believe these retail for 150 Canadian or 150 US, which is a very fair price. So I should probably open this envelope first before I spread misinformation. So let me do that and then we'll get back to the sneakers. Christian, this is a counter movement, a new era of sport fashion. This is Thunder Spectra. Thunder Spectra. It takes an unconventional approach to design that breaks focus and commands attention. It's loud with color blocking, said that earlier, material mixes, and I said that earlier too, and bright accents. I think I sort of said that. Anyways, it's packing the power of a storm. Available April 28th. What's today? Today's April 25th. 3 days early. Thank you, Puma. I actually, low-key guys, I got this package in yesterday, so 4 days early. Thank you, Puma. I will be doing a full review on this channel, the main channel, Sneaker Talk. So if you guys want to see the review, subscribe to the channel. But let's get to the retailers in Canada that will be selling these. We have Livestock, we have Normal, we have Exclusivity, we have J2 Sneaker Box, Off the Hook, and Puma Select at Foot Action. Thank you, Puma. I was genuinely really looking forward to this silhouette coming out this year. And my, oh my, the quality and the diverse amount of materials they use on this sneaker is really dope. So I think it's about time I give you guys a quick little B-roll cinematic of the shoe, and we'll get into some of the details of it, but not all of the details. I will have a full review, so subscribe for the full review. But I'll give you guys a quick little 360 of this sneaker. As you guys can see, we have the beautiful Thunder Spectra right here. We have the suede material on the back. It's very soft to the touch. Yellow banana material. It's very soft. It's very smooth. It's very sultry. Black mesh material right here going on the upper of the sneaker. And then we also got this red hit of suede. A really nice touch. We got the teal. We got the red. We got the yellow. We almost have like the primary colors going on right there. Really soft, smooth leather upper on this toe region right here. And how can you not mention that midsole, that chunky midsole. It's like a hurricane, tornado, artistic, abstract art project they did going on. I'm actually really surprised with how subtle and how low-key the outsole of the shoe is, considering how loud the rest of the sneaker is itself. And here is a look at the peach emojis. Let me know in the comment section down below right now before you guys go and before I show you guys the on feet. Let me know what you guys think about the Puma Thunder Spectra. Is this sneaker a cop? Is it a drop? How does it compare to other dad shoes on the market? You guys know all about the other dad shoes on the markets. We got the Air Monarchs, we got the Yeezys, we got the Balenciaga Triple S, we got the Skechers, those things. There's a lot of sneakers right now that are hopping on to the dad shoe trend, and I feel like Puma, with this release in 2018, they nailed it. They nailed it. Anyways, let me throw these Puma Thunder Spectras on feet right now, and when I come back, I'm gonna ask my mom for her opinion on these, my sister for her opinion on these, and of course, I'm going to ask my dad, see how a dad really feels about Puma's new dad shoe entry for 2018. Mom?
What?
I have a sneaker to show you.
Yeah.
I would like to get your reaction on it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready? Bam.
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 What is bam?
This is the Puma Thunder Spectra. How do you feel about these shoes, Mom? The Puma Thunder Spectra.
Oh, very bright. Yeah. What is this for? What shoes is this?
It's just for like casual wear, just like if you're chilling with your homies.
Like running shoes. Or
no, I wouldn't run in this. Would you say this is a dad shoe? That's the style for 2018 that is called the dad shoe. Is this
like that?
Is that something you think dad would wear or not?
Probably.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Anak! Where are you, Nicole?
Oh, my room, it's messy.
Oh, hello. How do you feel about the Puma Thunder Spectra?
They look like those Yeezys.
The Wave Runners?
Yeah.
Now let's go see what my dad thinks about the Puma Thunder Spectra. So Dad, I got a shoe from Puma. What do you think about these? The Puma Thunder Spectra.
Well, they're fine.
You like them?
Yeah. Good variety of colors, so it would go with anything, I guess.
Yeah.
Red, yellow, blue, green, black.
Would you wear these yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Should I buy you a pair?
No. My old-fashioned white ones are good enough for me.
Okay. We'll upgrade your Skechers eventually to these.
No, they're nice though.
That was my dad's reaction to the Puma Thunder Spectra. Now we have to get the most important reaction. Oh, hello. Oh, so well behaved today. So well behaved. All right, I have a question for you. It's a very serious question. I'm gonna need you to shake my foot real quick. Can you shake it? Thank you. Other hand, please. Thank you. All right, down. How do you feel about the Puma Thunder Spectra? Is it any good? Keep sniffing the shoe if you like it. And if you don't like it, then walk away. Ew, look at that gunk. Oh gosh. Ugh. Oh my gosh, she really, I guess she likes them. Like, oh, why are you punching the shoe? Why did you punch the shoe? This right here is the ultimate test to tell whether or not your dog likes your shoes. Stay there, Misty. Stay there. I'm gonna put the shoe in the middle of us, okay? I'm gonna put it right there. Now, we'll see if Misty either prefers me, her owner, or the shoe by which one she goes to. So let's find out. Okay, Misty, pick. Which one? Which one do you want? Which one do you like better, me or the shoe? So there you guys go, that's gonna wrap up today's sneaker unboxing of the Puma Thunder Spectra. One last thing, I uploaded a vlog with my girlfriend yesterday that I am very, very proud of. Please, please watch it, okay? Please, I did so much work, I put subtitles and everything.